Hello, my dear students. I am Amar Roy in front of you with a new topic in computer, that is, computer softwares and their types. But before moving forward, I would like to remind you that please subscribe our YouTube channel and please like and share our videos with your friends, and most important thing, please hit that bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now, with all that said, let's get started. Students, in this chapter, we will study what is a computer software, various types of softwares, along with their examples. Students, all the hardware which you see in your computer, it cannot work by itself. It needs a step-by-step instructions. Computer hardware is like an army which needs a commanding officer. The software is a commanding officer. It is a set of instructions or programs that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. Students, a program that runs on the computer is called a software. The games that you play on your computer or on your mobile and the programs that you use to learn interesting things are called software. Now, let's see some common examples of software which are available in market. The very first one is MS Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player, different computer games, etc. My dear students, basically softwares are of two types. The very first one is system software and the second one is application software. Now we will see some examples of system software as well as application software. Examples of system software are Windows 10, Ubuntu, Linux, Mac OS X, etc. Now few examples of application software are Windows Media Player, PowerPoint, Notepad, Paint, etc. Now we will study about system softwares. Students, system softwares are set of programs that controls the operation of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software that makes the computer work. Operating system manages and controls the operating of hardware as well as other software. Students, you can see one diagram on your screen that an operating software acts as a bridge for all the hardware and various softwares. It interlinks all the hardware and software with each other to perform some specific tasks. Let's understand the working of operating system with an example of a motorbike. Students, suppose you have a bike with petrol, but it does not move by itself until you do not drive it. Is it now? So what you have learned by this example? You are the operator of the bike. In the same manner, computer is almost a showpiece without an operating system. You cannot perform any task without an operating system. The operating system drives the computer and makes it work. Students, there are different types of operating system available in the market. The latest, the easiest and the widely used operating system is Windows 10, that is available by the company named Microsoft. The second operating system which is available in the market is Mac OS and it is manufactured by Apple. Now next operating systems are Linux and Ubuntu. So children, basically they are coding based operating systems and most probably they are used by the code professionals only. Students, after studying system software, our second type of software is application software. So now you might be thinking, what is application software? The software that is designed to do a specific job and helps the user as a tool for easy operations is called application software. For example, MS Office, Antivirus, VLC Media Player, Notepad, MS Paint, computer games, etc. Students, there are different types of application software available in the market. So the very first type is customized software. Customized software is a computer program or web application designed for a particular purpose, department or company. Customized software is designed to meet the client's requirement in business. Basically, it is used in different places like school, hospital, shops, etc. For an example, students, Tally is a customized software which is used in shops by shopkeepers to generate bills and maintaining accounts. Second type of application software which is available in the markets is word processors. Basically, word processing software helps us to write letters, notes, essays, etc. We can easily make changes while typing or even after typing. Microsoft Word, Notepad, Writer are some of an examples of such a software. Third type of application software is graphics software. Students, you can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. You can change color, shades, text as many times as you want. MS Paint, Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw are example of graphics software. Fourth type of application software is desktop publishing software. Students, it is used for designing a page with a picture and text in a presentable manner. MS PowerPoint and Adobe PageMaker are example of desktop publishing software. Now the last type of application software is multimedia software. Now what does it do? Multimedia software allows users to create or edit image, audio, video files, etc. Windows Movie Maker, Adobe Premiere are examples of multimedia software. Well students, that's it for today. I hope you all understood software and types of software. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.